Let's next take a look at a new cassette deck, the CT-959. Now that digital sound has become a mainstream program source, in designing a cassette deck, it's become more important to find ways to record music with the highest density possible. In this figure, you can see that the dynamic response of a recording made on our cassette deck is extremely close to that of the source digital program. The first step to realize optimum sound quality in the CT-959 was further improvement on our already proven anti-vibration technologies to reduce the effects of resonance and vibration to the absolute minimum. First is the employment of a new vibration-damping cassette stabilizer. This prevents vibrations from being transmitted to the cassette itself, where they can degrade sound. To develop this new stabilizer, we turned to a computerized vibration analysis simulation using software developed by NASA. As you can see, when not damped by the stabilizer, the cassette is subject to harmful vibrations. However, when the cassette is secured by our stabilizer, vibrations are drastically reduced. In our isolated door design, the cassette door is physically separated from the cassette well to isolate the cassette from acoustic pressure generated by speakers. Pioneer's newly developed MVI, motor vibration insulator, is a rigid reinforced special resin bracket mounted between the motor and mechanism chassis. It's highly effective in shutting out motor-created vibrations. After solving the problem of vibrations, we then turn to another very important factor affecting the sound quality of a cassette deck: tape speed constancy. In the CT-959's reference master mechanism, we redesigned the capstan with longer pinch rollers to make tape running smoother. The result was a drastic reduction of wow and flutter for specifications far better than those of conventional models. Programs on CD often contain high-level, high frequencies that simply cannot be found in analog music media. To accommodate high-power, high frequencies, therefore, we've increased the bias frequencies of our deck to almost double the conventional value, 210 kHz. Recordings made with this unit are extremely low in distortion, especially in the higher frequencies. We also use a low-impedance amorphous head to further improve purity. In order to faithfully reproduce the super low frequencies of CD sources, we've redesigned the power supply circuitries. Power transformers with bifilar coil windings are just one of the new technologies. We've also introduced the line straight switch to bypass the balance control, if so desired when recording, to ensure that signals travel the shortest possible path for minimum distortion. The CT-959 is equipped with a pair of convenient features for quality recording. Peak level calibration lets you easily adjust the recording peak level to the optimum level once the peak level is memorized. Then, tape calibration lets you accurately standardize the sensitivity and frequency response of different tapes by means of a built-in oscillator. Despite its two-head design, the CT-447 features the Pioneer Auto BLE for automatically matching electronics for individual tapes. It makes it possible to extract the best performance from each and every tape you use. It also incorporates the CD deck synchronization, a convenient feature when recording music from a CD source.